faggot ass niggas. Hey yo, Buck, word to mother. Yo, they had your mouth in silence too long, baby. They can't fucking hold me now, nigga. What the fuck these niggas thought? It's the INC, nigga. It's murder. MIB, nigga. Murder Inc. bosses, motherfuckers. Ja Rule. Hey yo, Buck, turn this shit up in my motherfucking head first. Turn me up, niggas. Fuck these faggots. It's real, nigga. Yeah. Hey yo, what, nigga? Fuck you, loose change, you faggot. Yeah. Feminine, Murder Inc. niggas. How many niggas hold their heat like roll? Sidearm, barrel, and mouth to blow your head out to the south. And the little J get the air in you out. And if there's any change left, I toss you on down to the west and let the road ride down on you. California, love is what you crave, so on your grave it's gon' read here live 50 who snitched on minutes. The $50 that nickeled and dimed and died like Penny. And Murder Inc. was in the deepest condolences and sympathies. The aftermath is shady in the scope and Jimmy dive in. You know your team, they really some peons getting peed on and linked on. I'm talking about faggot ass gay Dre Young. And she told me all about how you used to take transvestites home and occasionally wear thongs. No wonder feminine be cross-dressing in pumps and tight little dresses. My pumps, they leave big messes. And I know the truth hurts when I bust reckless. Better love the sex. Is that a woman or a man? I really don't care to stand. But 50, you gon' get shot again by the MUREDR Inc. I'm the rapper that sings, totes guns and blings. And these feds can't discuss them. Cause like he's violating us, using his pop hustle. Crying bitch to rustle like that shooting. Chris, you shook, ain't got bust rhyming the same old hook. Like that shooting, I ain't shoot up your land. I'd have put you in the car in the van, like my nigga Jay. The ganja van, which should be the getaway car when I clap at your bras and M's the do-rag off. You're never gonna have waves, you'll never know black pain, but you can become the first white rapper slain. Just get your money, man. The ink is running things, hide out with loose change. And you, nigga, I'ma send you to mommy with strict orders from God to hide the body. And Dre, your day's coming too, cause I got a team of misfits to squat and handle their business, cause I'm shooting at all y'all niggas. And Lil Mo, just one of them bitches that ain't had a hot song in how long? Never. You're better off with a dick in your mouth. Shut up, you claim your mother's a crackhead and Kim is a known slut. So what's Haley gonna be when she grows up? Murder! Y'all know what it is. Murder! Y'all know what it be. Murder! Y'all know what it is. Murder! INC.